What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a dark trap beat like metroboomin in flstudiomobile. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below. Let's go. As you can see, I'm using the C major scale. I started with the C chord, and then after that I added the F, is it F or E chord. Then I added the top notes on top of the bass notes, and it's like I did the same thing. I just added more notes so that uh, it covers some of the spaces, and it's a busy beat that keeps on going.
This game.
And I got this vocal from dripcord.com. You can check it. The link, the website is on the Google. Drip, dripcord.com. They have nice loops. The 808 just keeps on knocking. Is the same pattern, just the copy root note, the root note of the keyboard C and E. Drums, man, the drums must hit harder than everything. Just a regular open head snare, hi hat kicks, and open head rolls. Some percussions. Plug. I love the plug, and the plug should be dead. It should plug all these beats. Just add some notes so that these beats just keep on going and knocking hard and hard. Right now, as I'm saving this beat, make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and leave, tell me what you think about this video. More videos coming shortly, and I got a lot of stuff, So I'm going to put some of the beats in my other channel. I'll leave it in the description. Make sure you go and check it out. What else, man? What can I say, man? Like more music. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you go and check my old videos. There's a lot of sauce in them. You are missing out if you just coming finding out about this one only. I've created playlist. You can go and watch them. Um, yeah, some okay. Since I'm done, now I'm gonna play a full beat. And if you want a tutorial, request one. See you in the next one.